This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 85 of Building Optimus Prime from Transformers. And this time we are starting the left leg. Gil Wembley? Gil, probably. Technical expert at Kinetic Solutions Incorporated. Yeah, I vaguely remember that. Always at the forefront. Optimus Prime's leadership. Yeah, he definitely leads from the front, doesn't he? Good stuff. Hunger. More mouths, more problems. No idea about him. Two-headed dragon monster, apparently. Prime Decepticons. Megatron from the Prime Robots in Disguise line. Yeah, it's just not a thing, is it? It's just a vague sort of spaceshipy thing. We lost it a bit when they stopped them being recognisable vehicles and cars and planes and stuff. Yeah. So the left leg, part 1. The first parts of the structure of Optimus Prime's left leg are assembled. Pretty much a repeat of what we did way back when we did the right leg. But it's all got to be done. So yeah, let's clear it out of the way. Let's get it done. Right, we've only got a couple of screws to worry about, but first of all, we're just installing that into there. That just goes into there, I think. Is that the right place? Yeah. That just goes in. I think it goes in a little bit further than that. Maybe not. About it. Okay, I'm not entirely certain what that is, but it's there for whatever it needs to do. Don't think we're installing that yet, but we've got a big metal piece, which is obviously most of the leg. This is covering over that hollow bit. Fine, yeah, not a problem with that. Then we need the 2 screws. HM screws for this bit. There we go. They will be holding this in place, which is what we're going to attach another wheel to, no doubt, down the line. Got to poke out through that hole. Through on from the inside here. Put them in. Tightened up. Where that's going to attach. Good. Trying to tighten the screws firmly, obviously. Yes. There we go. That is that attached. Then the last little bit just sits on top of that post up there. Type thing. There we have it. That's that. Visible seam lines on a couple of these bits, but not too much of a problem because it's all sort of internal stuff. So there we go. That is that. There is one more pack in this delivery, so I shall get to that soon when we're going to continue with this leg. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.